I got tired of rugs that slide and trap dirt and discovered this family-friendly carpet. It is stain-resistant rug that is stylish and durable. It's super soft to the touch. It does arrive folded. Directions say to eliminate the creases, just let it lay flat for a week. I actually just rolled it up inside out and it got rid of the creases fine. Wipeable, robot vacuum approved, and machine washable. And there's an email address should you have any concerns. So I unfolded it. What stands out to me is really how soft this is. It is relatively thin and it does have sort of a sticky texture on the backside, but just very beautiful up close. It's the tans, it's the grays, a little bit of dusty pink. This is a white oak floor and it does look great with that. Here's more of a close-up. I like seeing them close up. I'm noticing the gray undertones, lots of beiges, a little bit of that dusty red rose. It's really beautiful in person. I don't know if these colors are picking up quite as much on the camera or not, but super impressed with this. It looks very high-end to me. This is the 5x7. It is supposed to be fade resistant. I think it's great for high traffic because it's so low profile. And we're looking to use it in a side room off of our kitchen. I would say not plush at all. It is an ultra thin. It does have that non-skid on the bottom, so I think it'd be super easy to place anywhere, particularly under furniture or very busy feet. Might be great in an entryway where you need to open and close the door, but need the aesthetics of a rug and for the trappability of the dirt coming in the house. I also think this color palette is very kid and pet friendly. For me, anytime I go with the grays and the browns, I feel like they hide dirt better, and with 3 kids in the house, you know how that goes. It is pretty low profile. I do think from a dirt and fur perspective, getting trapped, it's super easy to clean. And it does blow my mind that it is machine washable. So stains and spills, you just pick it up, throw in the washing machine. What could be better for a busy household? So I guess in summary, to me, it's beautiful in person. I think it's great for kids and pets. I love that you can wash it. It does stay in place because of that non-skid, but if you wanted to put a pad on it, that would be great. It is suitable for, I would say, like a living room, even a bedroom. It's beautiful. And you do roll it if you want to increase the creases going away. So if you want to upgrade your home, it's stunning, it's practical. To me, it's stylish and functional. I think it's great for a single or a family.